Hi coders, welcome back to 30 Days of Python series. I am Suresh Kumar Tulsiram. I am taking you to the. Let's move on to day 20. Comprehensions in Python, list, tuples and dictionary will be taken. So far we learned first program in Python, variable data types, variable naming rules, operators in Python, bitwise operators, bitwise shifting, complements, strings, lists, tuples, dictionary, sets in Python, if, elif and else in Python, loops we explained in Python, functions in Python, loop control statements, loop challenges and variable scopes, local, global and non-local. And today topic list is list, tuples, dictionaries, comparisons of list, tuple, dictionary, slide points, MCQs. Python lists are super flexible. You can add, modify and remove items easily. Let's see how with a simple fruit list. We start with a list of 3 fruits: apple, banana, cherry. Append adds an item at the end of the list. Now our list has 4 items: apple, banana, cherry, mango. Since lists are mutable, we can replace any item by its index. Here banana becomes blueberry. You can see the output: apple, blueberry, cherry, mango. Removing by value, dot remove deletes an item by its value. If the item is not found, it will throw an error. Dot pop index removes an item at a specific position. Here index 2 is cherry. So the example output was apple and blueberry. If you call dot pop without an index, it removes the last item. That's why both dot pop 2 and dot pop in this case seen similar because cherry was the last element anyway. So remember, dot append adds, indexing modifies, dot remove deletes by the value and dot pop deletes by position. List gives us flexibility to manage data easily. Try this with your own example, maybe with colors, numbers or even your favorite movies. In Python, tuples look like list. But there is one big difference. Tuples cannot be changed after creation. Let's see why that is important. Here we created a tuple with 2 values 10 and 30. Tuples use parentheses instead of square brackets. Unlike list, tuples are immutable. Once created, you cannot change, add or remove elements. Now you can see you can unpack a tuple directly into variables. Here x gets 10 and y gets 30. Why you use tuples? First point, when you don't want data to change like constants and fixed coordinates, you can use tuple. Second, tuples are faster than lists in Python. Third point, often used as dictionary keys or functions return value. So remember, lists are flexible but mutable while tuples are fixed but safe. If you want your data locked, use a tuple. In Python, dictionaries are like a mini database. They store data as key value pairs. Let's see how they work. Here we created a dictionary with 3 key value pairs. Using a key like name, we can quickly access the value alias. We updated age from 21 to 22. Dictionaries are mutable, so we can modify values anytime. We added a new key grade with value A. Dictionaries grow dynamically. Using del, we can remove a key and its value. Here we deleted age. Dictionaries are flexible. Here we removed city from another dictionary. So remember, dictionaries are storing the data in key value pairs. You can access, modify, add or delete items anytime. There is one of the most powerful data structures in Python is dictionary. Let's have this quick recap what you have practiced today. List is ordered, mutable, indexing, use case is dynamic data. Tuple, ordered, not mutable, indexing, fixed data. Dictionary, it is not ordered. Keep an insertion order only. Okay, whenever you insert, that will be the first order, like that. Mutable, yes. Indexing, use keys. So key value mapping. Python gives us multiple ways to store data. Let's compare lists, tuples and dictionaries. Lists can grow, shrink and change. Perfect for flexible collections. Tuples can't be modified. They are faster and useful for fixed data. Dictionaries, quick lookups using keys. It gives quick lookups using keys. great for structured data. When to use which? List for changeable order data, you can use it. Tuple for fixed real only data, you can use it. Dictionary for fast lookups with the key value mapping, you can use it. That dictionary in Python. Think of it like this: lists are flexible, tuples are locked, and dictionaries are like mini databases. So lists, tuples, and dictionaries are the foundation of Python data handling. Once you master them, you can build almost anything. Welcome back, friends and coders. Today is day 20 of our Python 30-day series. We will learning about three of Python's most important data structures. One is list, another one is tuples, third one is dictionaries. So one is list. List is an ordered changeable, it can be changeable collections. Remember, list is an ordered changeable collections. Tuples, ordered unchangeable collections. Okay, and third one is dictionaries, it's a key value pairs. These three you have to remember. Let us explore with the examples right now. Okay, now I'll go for code. Now I'll take up list. I'm just creating the list. Okay, how to create the list? When you create the list, you should remember square bracket. So I'm declaring with the fruits as a variable, and square bracket, within square bracket I'm typing the fruits: apple, banana, and cherry. Okay, cherry. Okay, now how to view this? This is a, okay, I'm just run it, nothing will come. Okay, print fruits. You see, now I just I declare one variable fruits in which apple, banana, cherry I have added. Then I'm just printing it. Print the variable contents of list apple, banana, cherry is showing here. Okay, individually I wanted to view. How to view? You can say fruits with the square bracket. You say the position. This is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So if I put 0, it will show apple. See, apple. Okay, now if I say fruits 2, it will print cherry. See, cherry. Okay, now cherry, this one, latest one is printing. Now how to modify it? Simply what you say is, I want to modify banana to make it orange. Okay, now what you do is fruits, banana is in which position? 1 position. So 1, say 1 equal to orange. You see orange, then you see modified. Now if you see print fruits, no, apple, banana is modified as orange, cherry. Okay, now how to add? This is modifying over. Now add, how to add? Adding. Okay, simply same thing. Fruits dot append to add, append grapes. And you see print fruits, it will be appended into the last. See, grapes is added. Welcome back, friends. Removing fruits dot remove, we can remove apple. Okay, apple, then print fruits. Now you see the apple will be removed, only orange, cherry, grapes will be the remains. Okay, This is actually a list. Now we'll move on to the tuples. Move on to the tuples. Tuples, as you remember, ordered and immutable. This cannot be changeable. So I just remove this. So tuples, we will see tuples right now. How to create tuple? First thing, creating a tuple. Same thing, list square bracket, here simple parenthesis, okay, colors equal to, within parenthesis, red, green, blue. Now you see print fruits, colors, you see the colors is added to the variable colors. This red, green, blue is added to the colors variable. So when I print colors variable, it is stored, whatever stored items are showing here. You can see the first color, second color, third color like this. One more code we'll see. Print colors zeros position. Which one is zeros position? What is red will show. Like that, 1, 2, whatever thing you can see it. Otherwise, you can see looping also, it can be done. For C in colors, okay, then print colors, comma C. See, colors red, green, blue in order, it will show. Now we will see this immutable, I already told you. So we will see next one, dictionaries. It's key value pair. That is, based on the key, you can access the value. That's why it is called key values pair. Now dictionaries, key value pairs. How to create the dictionary? Okay, we will see student. We will have the student variable with, we want to use these braces, okay, these flower braces. Okay, now name, you have to use colon, alias. This is key is name, value is alias. Now key is age, value is 21. See, age, you have to give colon, then only the error will not show. Now 21, key values should not be in between any commas, between key and values. Now you see course, then colon, I have to give the value of the course. Now I just say print dictionary something, I'm just giving as a message, dictionary student. Okay, now you see this dictionary is equal to name, alias, age, 21, course, Python. So numbers should not be within quotes. Okay, single quote, we cannot use quote for the numbers. For rest everything we have to use this quote. Now we will see how to access it. Okay, now we see accessing. Now how to access is, I want to see name, what is name inside the student. So print, you have to say mention the name, that is mention the key, name, comma, student, you have to use square bracket within name. Okay, you see name alias should come. name equal alias. This name I have written it for message purposes. Otherwise, print student within square bracket, within quotes name if you put, the alias will come. Similarly, print age. We got to use this within parentheses. See, age. Why it is not coming? I didn't mention student. So, student age is 21. You see, previously I have written only the age, so that it has taken it as a simple variable age as it is, it was printing like this. So, as it is printing as a message. Now, if I put variable name student, in which age should be shown, that is 21 should be shown. For that, you have to put student and age. See, 21 is going. So, this is accessing, and we will see next one is adding a new key. Simply student, I can add one more grade. Okay, this is a key grade and value is A. Okay, then I say print student, then you see that grade is added here in the last as a grade as a key and value as a A. Okay, now we will see one more thing, removing a key. Student grade I am going to remove. Sorry. Grade I will do. Okay, del student grade. Otherwise, I will use one thing, course I remove. So I can remove any item name, any key. So I am removing this, and I wanted to display after removing what is the remaining key values. Student. You see, I removed course, then these three, name, age and grade, these three items remains. Okay, this is what how to remove the key. So friends, remember the difference. List is ordered and mutable, you can change values. Tuple ordered but immutable, you cannot change values. Dictionary stores key value pairs for fast lookup. These three structures are the backbones of Python programming and are used everywhere, from simple scripts to AI projects. Okay, see you then. We will see you in next class. Hi, this is the end of day 20. Now we'll move on to the day 21 tomorrow. The topic is recursion, Fibonacci and Factorial in Python. Till then, goodbye. Please like the channel, subscribe channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.